marks, ध्यान सुनना, of 50 marks. Wait. Yes, your paper is of 50 marks. Only objective type paper is there this time. Okay, objective type paper means choose the correct answer, filling the blanks, and one more question. If I give you the one word calculation, then you do in the rough calculation and write the answer in your sheet. Okay, means on your mobile. Understood? So 3 questions you have, 3 or 4 questions you have. So like this type of paper, maths paper, but objective type. Okay, understood all of you? 50 marks, this is a practice paper, and in half yearly again you have the 50 marks paper. So we'll add both the marks, 50 marks this time and 50 marks at the half yearly. So we'll add both the marks and 100 marks. It is of 100 marks. And these marks is added in your first term calculation. Means you have the half yearly paper of 60 marks, no? But we will give you 50 marks half yearly paper and 5 marks for Vedic. Vedic के भी आपके internal marks लगेंगे. Okay? So you have to give your best. Don't take it lightly, your Vedic papers. Your Vedic paper is as important as your maths paper. Okay? So practice good, and please don't take tension of books. No need of books. I have sent you all the objectives. I have sent you all because you are in the 3rd level now. Listen very carefully. You are on the 3rd level now. So you have to prepare the objectives of level 1, level 2, and level 3. Write down. You have to prepare the objectives of level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay? Means you have to prepare the objective of class 6th also. Class 6th has 2 levels, 1 and 2. So you have to open your class 6 Vedic book also, and you have to prepare the objective from there also. Clear? What is the name? So I have given all the objectives of level 1 and level 2 and level 3. I have given in your group as well as in Snap homework. Please check. And with the answers I have given. Okay? So learn all the objectives. And the questions, one question I have give you, which questions we have done in the Vedic. हमने कौन सा किया है? We have done, again please check your copy, open your copy. We have done the division of any number by series of 9. We have done the series of 9. ठीक है? इसमें से कोई क्वेश्चन आ सकता है आपको. Series of 9, double 9 means 99. Series of 999, 999 we have done. Then division of by series of 9 when the number of digits of dividend and divisor are equal. Means it's a series of 9. हमने क्या करना है? आपने लिखो इसमें, ये देखो एक मिनट. Wait. We have done the series of 9. Series of 9, double 9 and triple 9. ठीक है? And then dividend, and when in series of 9 also in dividend and divisor are equal. एक हमने ये किया है, फिर हमने किया है dividend are less than the number 9, than the number 9. एक हमने ये किया था, और कौन सा किया हमने? हाँ, ठीक है, ये सब हमने क्या किया है? 9 का सीरीज ऑफ 9, 99, 999. Then dividend and divisor are equal. Then dividend are less than the number 9. We have done this. Written, all of you? Anhad, give me the response. Written. Unmute yourself. Okay, good. Now next is division of any number by 5. Division of any number by 5. और कौन सा किया हमने? by 8 और 98 किया था हमने. 98 we have done. 98. Mahir, beta 1 minute. Good to see you here. Welcome. Please attend the classes regularly. No ma'am. Okay, 98 is not done. 5, 8 and 125. 25 you have done. 5, 25 and 120. Okay, 5, 25 and 125 you have done. Okay, ठीक है. 8 not done ना? Okay. 5, 25 and 125. 50 also. I think 50 also you have done. 5, 25, 50 and 125. 5, 25, 50 and 125. है ना? ये किया ना? 50, 125, 5. Okay. 5, 25, 50 and 125. Okay. 50 also done. 50, 25, 5, 25, 125. अच्छा 5 वाला नहीं है. एक मिनट वेट करो. वेट फॉर 1 मिनट. डिवीजन ऑफ 5 नहीं किया आपने? डिवीजन ऑफ 5 का देखो बेटा. 5 का है फॉर्मूला मल्टीप्लाई 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. 5. दिस इज ऑफ 5. राइट डाउन. मल्टीप्लाई 2 डिवाइड बाय 10. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ प्लीज, और दिस मच ओनली. इससे ज्यादा नहीं दूंगी मैं आपको. बस आपने यही करना है. क्लियर? सीरीज ऑफ 9 and divide of any number by 5, 25, 50 and 125. Divide of any number by 5, 25, 50 and 125. Only this much you have to prepare. Okay, this much should be, you have to prepare. Objectives I have given you. Then of question answers, series of 9 and division of any number by 5, 25, 50 and 125. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Please shake your heads. I can see here. Bridhi, Simarpreet, Shriya Thapa in front of me. Have understood all of you? Say yes ma'am or no ma'am. वृद्धि, यस, हाँ अब दिखाई दिया। ओके, यस, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वही आएंगे जो मैंने आपको भेजे हैं। बाकी अपनी बुक से देख लो कुछ कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स जो आपको नजर आते हैं सामने। ओके, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आएगा, सिंपल पेपर होगा। इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? ठीक है, चलो हम दोबारा एक बार रिवाइज कर ले। वेट, this I have sent you. Vedic Maths Level 1. Vedic Maths is derived from which Veda? Vedic Math. Okay, I'll unmute. Wait. I'll unmute you. One by one, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
All of you mute yourself. One by one, you have to.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Vedic Maths is derived from
Mannat, Mannat, mute yourself. Vedic Math. Girls, it's a recording. Please mute yourself. पेरेंट्स की आवाज आ रही है, म्यूट करो अपने आप को। Vedic Maths is derived from which Veda?
Atharva Veda.
Atharva Veda.
Atharva Veda.
Atharva Veda. Yes. Vedic Maths was rediscovered between.
मम्मा जी जो ढोला पापा का भी पास हुआ उन लोग कितने महीने हो गया? 7 महीने।
Now Kohinoor, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kohinoor. Vedic Maths was rediscovered between Vedic Maths rediscover कब हुआ था?
Ma'am, 1911 to 1918.
18. Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Upsutras are also called as. Who will give me answer? Now I will unmute Navneet. Navneet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Upsutras are also called as.
Corollaries.
Corollaries. Very good. Dash are the basic operations in mathematics. Yes. Dash are the basic operations in mathematics. Navneet, bolo. Okay. I'll unmute here. Arshpreet Kaur. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Dash are the basic operations in mathematics.
Ma'am, addition, subtraction, multiplication.
जोर से बोलो.
Division. Ma'am, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Okay. Addition, good. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, next. Total number of combinations are. Now I'll unmute here Diksha Chaudhary. Yes. Total number of combinations are.
Ma'am, 100. 100.
100. Okay, I'll check. Okay, very good. 100.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Dash rediscovered Vedic maths. Who discovered Vedic maths? I'll unmute here. Vedika. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Unmute
ma'am.
yourself.
Shri
Yes.
Bharti
Dash.
Krishna. Shri Bharti Krishna Tirtha ji.
Very good. Shri Bharti Krishna Tirtha ji. ठीक है? Okay. Next. There are dash Vedas. How many Vedas are there? Now Harneet, unmute yourself. Harmeet,
there are four.
four
There are four
Vedas.
Vedas.
Okay, good. There are four Vedas. Next, there are dash difficult combinations. I'll unmute here. Samya, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. There are dash different difficult combinations. There are dash difficult combinations. Yes. बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी. Ariana, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
There are dash. Hanji.
Ma'am, 16.
16. Very good. There are 16 difficult combinations. Next is dash is the ancient system of mathematics. Ancient system of mathematics. Anybody is unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, bolo beta answer. Dash is the ancient system of mathematics.
Ma'am, Vedic maths.
Vedic maths, good. Dash method is used for calculation in school. Means when we do calculation in mathematics, so which type of calculation we are doing? Which method we are using? In Vedic maths, we are using the Vedic methods. But normal mathematics, which method we are using?
Conventional.
Yes, conventional method we are using in the calculation in school. Okay, now next is number of Up Sutras in Vedic maths. Now I'll unmute here. Stuti. Stuti, unmute yourself. Tell me number of Up Sutras in Vedic maths.
Ma'am, 13.
Okay, 13. Now we will check 13 is the right answer. Yes, 13. Now next is Vedic maths is an ancient system of. Vedic maths is an ancient system of. Now I'll unmute. Mannat Sharma, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, mathematics.
Mathematics. Okay. Number of sutras in Vedic maths. How many sutras in Vedic maths?
Ma'am, 16.
16. Okay, mute yourself now. Next is Vedic methods are different from dash methods. Vedic methods. Now I'll Sabgun. Unmute yourself. Vedic maths are different from dash methods.
Conventional.
Conventional, good. And tell me this also. N digit for 9 and 3 is? N digits. This is your first level. आप 6 का बोल रहे हो अभी आप बेटा. N digits. First concept था हमारा. For 9 and 3 is? What is the N digit of 9 and 3?
2.
2. Good. Dot method is also called as? Now the next is Anvi Singh.
Method.
Bacha, please mute yourself. Anvi Singh. Bolo. Dot method is also called as?
Ma'am, Rekhanath method.
Rekhant method. Rekhant method. ठीक है? Okay. Dash sutra is used for racy addition. Dash sutra is used for racy addition. Now unmute Shiv Priya. Shiv Priya, unmute yourself. Which sutra we are using for racy addition?
Adhina Purvina.
Huh?
Ma'am.
Ekadhina Purvina.
Yes, Ekadikena Purvena. Which is the other name of addition? Please, girls, other girls, please mute yourself. Only Shivpriya is unmuted. Dash is another name for addition. Sankalam. Yes, Sankalan. Please learn the spellings. If your spelling is wrong, I will put cross. I will not give you marks. Then dot method is the process used in. Dot method is the process used in. Now I'll unmute. Wait. I'll unmute here. Priyanshi Sharma. Priyanshi, bolo. Dash is another name for addition. नहीं ये हो गया. Dot method is process used in.
Addition.
Yes, addition. Good. ठीक है बेटा, ये हमने सब कुछ आपने ये किया था ना हमने फर्स्ट लेवल में. नाउ प्लीज चेक सी द सेकंड लेवल. फर्स्ट लेवल ये आपको बाकी सारा आता है. ठीक है, सेकंड लेवल में देख लो क्या है. वॉट एवर वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25 वी शुड डिवाइड बाय. अभी हमने थर्ड लेवल में भी किया 25 का. व्हेन वी यानी हमने डिवीजन बाय 25 किया. लेवल सेकंड में था मल्टीप्लाई. व्हेन एवर वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25 वी शुड डिवाइड बाय. क्या किससे करते हैं डिवाइड हम? Who will give me the answer? Okay, Vanshika Randhava. Give me answer here. Whenever we multiply by 25, we should divide by. Vanshika, unmute yourself. Ridanshi, unmute yourself. Ridanshi.
Ma'am, its answer is 4.
4
Ma'am,
divide
4.
by
4.
divide by 4. Okay. Okay, 103 multiply 107 means ये triple वाला देखो बेटा. 3 digits by 3 digit can be done in dash ways. कितनी ways से हम कर सकते हैं इसको? How many ways means कितने तरीके हैं करने के इसको multiply?
Ma'am,
3 ways.
3 ways. ठीक है, 3 ways. ना बाकी कैलकुलेशन वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं ये आपने करने हैं. Now 125 is the dash part in 1000. 125 is the dash part in 1000. Which part?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Very good, very good. Now see here in second level 4 nines are there. 9 nines, 9 की series भी इसमें लिखी हुई है. Then 99 can also be written as 99 can also be written as. कैसे लिखते हैं हम 99?
Ma'am, 100 minus 1.
Ma'am, 100 minus 1.
100 minus 1.
1.
And what we call the name of the divide? What is the name of divide in Vedic maths? Bhagyaham. Yes. Now level 3 which you are studying, please see the question. I am only dictating the questions here. Please listen very carefully. Divisions are called as dash in Vedic maths. Division को हम क्या कहते हैं? Bhagyaham.
Bhagaraham.
If a number is divided by 25, the shortcut applied is, shortcut बताया था मैंने आपको 25 का. What is
Yes,
the shortcut of 25?
Multiply by 4 divided by 100.
Yes, multiply 4 divided by 100. If a number is divided by 50, the shortcut applied. Then divisor multiply dash plus remainder is equal to dividend. This you have done in mathematics.
Ma'am,
ठीक है,
question.
dash. Yes. Then dash multiply quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Same up one divisor. Then divisor into quotient means any form the question is coming. 45, 46, 47, 48, all four are same. ठीक है? Then 88 divided by 8 into 8. ये आपने नहीं किया, छोड़ दो इसको, ये नहीं डालेंगे आपको. ठीक है? जो नहीं किया है वो नहीं आएगा. 6 divided by 999. Again ये किया है आपने. Inner division of 39 divided by 3 is 13. In this 3 is called, 3 को क्या कहते हैं? What is the name of 3 here?
Divisor.
Divisor. Very good. Then 456 divided by 9999. This you have done already. Then any number divided by 10, we should place decimal before
1.
dash digit. One
One
digit.
digit.
Because 10 is, yes, 1 0 is there. So we put after one number, we have to put point. Any number divided by 100, we should place the decimal before how many digits?
2
Two
digits.
digits. Yes, good. Flag method आपने नहीं किया, leave it. Flag method, okay? Flag method के 55, 56 cross it, 55 and 56 अपने cross कर लेना. Then 57 percentage भी नहीं किया आपने, पर आप याद कर लो, percentage literally means percentage को क्या कहते हैं? What we call as
1 by 100.
1 divided
1 by
100.
1 by 100.
Yes. Percentage का मतलब क्या होता है? 100 ना? तो divide by 100.
Yes.
Okay. Shortcut for 12 1 by 2. ये percentage के fraction से question आ गया है. ये छोड़ दो. 58 to 63 64 65 आगे छोड़ दो सारे. ठीक है? You have to do till 54.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to do till, all of you please listen very
Okay, ma'am.
carefully. You have to do till 54. Okay?
Okay,
Rest
ma'am.
questions you have not done. So these concepts we are doing in the, we have to do in the level 3rd, but you have not done, so leave it. In half yearly
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
coming. Okay, please, these pages keep it with you for the objectives. Understood all of you? These pages keep it with you for
ma'am.
objectives. Is it clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have given, and please learn the objectives and practice the questions. You have to how to solve the questions, because when in the Google form you have to write the answers, you have to write the formula also. You have to write the formula and write answer directly. कि आपने किस फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व किया. आई वांट टू सी द फॉर्मूला. नहीं तो आप कैलकुलेटर लेके बैठ जाओगे, मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर लिखते जाओगे. आई डोंट वांट दैट. Okay, I
Okay,
want the
ma'am.
formula you are using, write formula and then write the answer. What happened, Manath? Yes, unmute yourself. Yes, Manath, bolo. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I want to ask that how much time paper it will be?
1 hour only. 1 hour paper.
Ma'am, we have to
1
write
hour.
the full formulas, na?
Write full formulas. I will give you the space. You have to write the formulas, and rest paper is objective type. Okay, only one question is of a solution. You have to solve there only.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Thank
I
you,
will
ma'am.
talk. Okay, unmute yourself. Now I will. Where is Mahi? Mahi gone? Okay. Anything else you want to confirm? Timing I will give you later, beta. I'll send you on the WhatsApp. Timing, okay? The final timing when I got, then I will give you. No add file in this. You have to write the answers in the Google form only. You have to type it and write.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
add file here.
Ma'am.
Okay. So this is your about your Vedic paper on 25th. Please remember, tell your parents to be at home for the Vedic paper, most probably in the afternoon. पेपर आपको आफ्टरनून में होना है. प्लीज अपने अपने मोबाइल को अपने पास रखना कि आपने पेपर करना है. ठीक है. ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा हाफ एन आवर का पेपर भी नहीं है. जल्दी से आप कर लोगे. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप पेपर इज देयर. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. एंड व्हाट एल्स. हम थोड़ा सा मैथ्स पढ़ लें. वी हैव टाइम. हम लिसन अबाउट बुक्स. डोंट टेक टेंशन ऑफ बुक्स. बुक्स अभी आपको कहीं से नहीं मिलेंगी. जब स्कूल लगेंगे, अगर आपकी क्लासेस लगती हैं स्कूल में, तो आपको बुक्स स्कूल से मिलेंगी. ठीक है. बुक्स की टेंशन नहीं लेनी है. जो मैंने आपको पीडीएफ बना के भेजा है, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दैट. सब कुछ मैं आपको भेज रही हूँ. ऑब्जेक्टिव आई हैव सेंड यू. क्लियर. सो यू लर्न द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स and then give the paper. And everything I have given you. Questions I have given you, answer with answers. Okay. So don't take tension. You have to maintain the copy. Only you have to maintain the copy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this time, please don't disturb me on that paper. Now you are better enough how to do the paper. You are experts now. हर छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए मैम को तंग नहीं करना है. No 8 o'clock नहीं होगा बेटा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
2 o'clock. हाँ जी बोलो. Yes, you have to make the Vedic copy, Janvi. In the beginning, I told you, make the copy of Vedics because book you don't have. So concept wise, you have to maintain your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody wants to ask anything? Paramita, okay. Unmute yourself. Yes, Paramita. Paramita, unmute yourself. Unmute करो बच्चा. Yes, Iknoor. Yes, you have to.
बजे आएगा?
मैंने आपको बोला ना, ऐसे तो 2 बजे है. अगर सिस्टर टाइम चेंज कर देंगे, then I will tell you later on. So otherwise, 2 o'clock.
Thank you.
Yes, if you want to write this, fill up in your copy as you wish. You can write. मोबाइल से कभी डिलीट भी हो जाता है. So you can write, learn. First you write all the fill-ups, then close your mobile and write the answers yourself. Like a test. You take your test yourself. Okay? Write all the fill-ups.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? You write all the fill-ups and then take your test.